Hey, Nike, man, what's going on, bro? First, y'all pushed back the Black Cat 3s. Now, y'all are officially pushing back the shoe that everybody's going crazy for, which I don't know why. The Air Jordan 1 Black Toes. Yo, we got to talk about it in today's video because I think it's a little bit more behind what's going on with some of these major pushbacks. We'll get into it in today's video, man. Let's get right to it. Yo, what's going on, everybody? YouTube, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in with your boy DeVintage, man. It's always greatly appreciated if you guys come on here, see what I'm talking about, bro. Because sometimes I be putting 2 and 2 together and I, hit up like a reliable source for today's video, which we're gonna get into. Before we get any further, man, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and comment your first initial thoughts and reactions when you seen that these were gonna be getting pushed back all the way into spring 2025. Like, yo, what is going on, man? I don't understand, bro. Go ahead and comment your initial thoughts and reaction and all that good stuff. All right, so first things first, man, I want to hit up a couple people, and the main person I had to hit up when it comes to an Air Jordan 1, especially like this one right here, which probably still would have went down as like a top 10 release for most people due to the rare Air Jordan on the side. It was Mr. Unloved Ones. I had to hit him up. I said, bro, like, I gotta figure out what is going on with these black toes. I seen it circulating all morning, and I had to wait until I, seen Z Sneakerheads posted, and I was like, yo, hold on, let me hit up Mr. Unloved Ones. He said, yes, they are going to be getting officially pushed back. But here's a twist to it, man. He put out a little bit of, little gems. He said that some stores might still release them that did get their shipment in, which is a good thing for some people in certain locations. So you do have still an opportunity to cop these things for retail. So it is a postponement of the release, but it's almost like a delayed shipment in a sort of way, because if some stores are still going to be dropping them, you can still look at it like a delayed shipment rather than, a whole cancellation of that initial release, or just, a postponement of the drop. And that's just what it seems like it's going to be, man. So shouts out to Mr. Unloved Ones for dropping them gems, bro. But you guys see them, bro. The black toe, the rare Air Jordan on the side, the signature on the inside of the shoe, my very best for Michael Jordan signature. Still a dope Jordan 1 colorway. You guys know I love the black toes. I have the lows, I have the satin black toes. I got a bunch of black toes. I just couldn't get jiggy with the Air Jordan on the side. I just don't know what it is. I still can't get jiggy with it, but it's crazy. These are going to be getting pushed back all the way until spring time frame in 2025. So I got a couple of assumptions and a couple of, educated guesses on why I think that it did get pushed back. Just think about it like this, man. We've seen pushbacks for the Air Jordan 4 Military Blues. We've seen pushback of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats, which we thought was going to be released from this year, but they said they scratched it. They gave us the remastered Air Jordan 3s, and we were all supposed to get the Black Cat 5s. I know you guys remember all of that earlier this year. We were supposed to get all these dope drops in the second half of the year, and then next thing you know, a couple releases start getting pushed back. And then once we've seen that, we're not getting the Black Cat 3s this year, we're getting the Air Jordan 3 Remastered Black Cements. Everybody like, yo, what is going on? And now we're here all the way near October, and we are now officially getting the word that these are going to get pushed back. And I think that's because, bro, me personally, I think that's because Nike sees how terrible some of these releases has been going. So you seen my last video yesterday or 2 days ago talking about the Mocha Air Jordan 1 lows. I love the sneaker. I love the colorway. I wanted the highs. Didn't want to pay resale on the highs. But you guys know I love the lows. And they did not do relatively well for Nike. They seen what's going on with some of these notable releases, like the Olympic 6s, like the Air Jordan 1 Low Mochas, and they're not doing well. You get pairs that's sitting everywhere, stuff hitting the outlets. And I think that they want to put a little bit more emphasis on this drop, on the Black Cat 3s, on the Black Cat 5s, because they want to push that sneaker. They want to push their narrative per se, especially with that rare Air Jordan 1s. And I think they're going to give it, a little bit more of its own time frame in terms of dropping. But another crazy thing about that is it is so much dropping next year. It's going to be hard to kind of focus on just the black toe reimagined. If you guys know, you got to see where I'm coming from with that one, bro. Nike ain't doing too well. They're pushing some stuff back. They trying to, you know, I guess push it a little bit more. I'm not too sure. But you guys can go ahead and comment your personal thoughts, your personal opinions over these pushbacks, and most importantly, most notable, these black toe Air Jordan 1s. Bro, I know some people mad. I know some people a little bit salty because a lot of people in some of my recent videos have been advocating for these. They want me to like these so bad. I don't know what it is. It's crazy. But I always say, man, buy what you like, forget the hype. But I have been giving this shoe its credit, bro. You know what I'm saying? You got the My Very Best on the left shoe, on the inside collar. You got the box. You got the inside where, you know, you got some other dope pictures and presentation. It's just immaculate. I cannot knock that. It is an immaculate shoe, you know, in terms of the backstory, what's going on with the shoe, why they're there, and of course, the infamous Rare Air Jordan on the side, which, yo, I don't know why they did it, but they did. They did it, bro. They did it, and hey, it is what it is, man. But again, man, you guys let me know down below in the comment section, what are your initial thoughts about what is going on? I honestly did not see this one coming. I did not see this one coming because this is still a major release for Nike and for the general public. People really want these black toe reimagined for some reason. You know, it is what it is. Hey, if you like it, I love it. So if you want to get them by all means, go ahead and grab them things. But this is another one of those canceled drops, a crazy canceled drop. But again, in some areas, in some stores that do have pairs, there is a possibility for those Air Jordan 1s to drop the black toes. They still might do it. You never know. They might wait until, you know, the actual date and stuff like that. But hey, who knows? It's not even a confirmed date now. All they say is spring 2025. So the people that got the pairs probably gonna start letting them go, or they're gonna start hitting the back door, if you know what I'm saying. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Crazy news. Yeah, I just don't know, bro. So now the only thing people gotta worry about is the black cement 3s and the legend blue 11s. Am I missing anything? You guys let me know. Or the black toe 14s, that could still be one of those notable releases, I feel like, for OGs. And other than that, I don't think there's nothing else crazy to where people are going to put a lot of energy and emphasis towards in terms of looking them up, in terms of trying to cop them, in terms of, you know what I'm saying, this being a top 10 sneaker of the year. And the last two top 10, I feel like that's gonna be, you know, knocking on the door for a lot of people is Legend Blues and the Black Cement 3 Remastered. So if you guys think I'm missing something, please let me know in the comment section. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to see you guys' comments. I love reading y'all comments. I promise y'all, I love it. So whatever you guys say, man, please comment it ASAP Rocky in the comment section, man. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support. Subscribe right now to the channel. Leave a huge like on today's video. Crazy news, breaking news. I can't believe it. But yeah, black toes, scratched all the way until 2025, and who knows, they might still push it back then. But again, love y'all. Thanks for tapping in. Let me catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.